I'm sitting on a super comfy recliner couch here. All right. And I'm inside an Airbnb two-bedroom in London Estate, Nakuru. London Estate is just 1.5 kilometers from Nakuru CBD. Okay, you can never get an Airbnb in Nakuru this close to town. All right. Now, most importantly, again, coming to this place, the roads are very good. It is tarmac all the way home, right to the gate. All right. Now, they have got ample parking on the ground level of this apartment. They have got some playground outside there. Well, perhaps if you come with your kids or even you alone, just some green space for you to go out and catch some sun. It is right there. And I'm about to give you a tour of this two-bedroom Airbnb. And then from there, guys, the festive season is around the corner. So it is my duty to keep hooking you up with various luxury Airbnbs in the city of Nakuru. All right, I've brought one in Kiamunye, now in London, in Naka. You see, I give you variety. So the number of this particular host is right there on the screen. Just give them a call kindly to book this unit. Without further ado, let's keep going. My name is Ezra Ondara, and we create real estate content in Nakuru, house hunting in Nakuru. We do vlogs around Nakuru, and we love telling stories around and about Nakuru. All right, so beside the 3-seat couch, I was right there. We have 2 seats on this end and another one right there. So it's 6 seats in total. And then a coffee table right in the hut there. Watching television, you have it right there for your entertainment. You can continue watching your favorite movies on the go. And then we have got a dining area for 4. Here it is, pretty cozy, okay? Right here. So even in the evenings, you guys can always have conversations from this very place. All right, so of course your sink is right there. Wash your hands before you dine. And then in terms of amenities, this is one of them, water dispenser. And then we have got an open kitchen, to this end. Really amazing. Then I look at the, 5-burner gas cooker right here. So guys, for longer stays, like the whole of December, this is that Airbnb you can book the whole of December. And if you love cooking, I think these guys have sorted you right there. Now, bring your items. There's so much cabinetry, underneath cabinetries and overhead cabinetries, pale, to store your item. You have got a microwave here. For those takeaway food that you bring home, just throw in there in a warm. And then, you get to enjoy your meal. A double sink right there for you to wash your dishes. And, yep, there is a pantry. Okay, on this end as well. So this apartment is really huge in terms of space. And then, of course, you have got your refrigerator right there. For longer stays, the whole of December, I'm looking for someone to book this unit for the whole of December. Okay, this is a perfect family unit. This one here in London Estate, perfect for family. When you look at the amenities, this is the place to be. All right, then out here, it even has a laundry area. That's what I'm telling you guys. Here it is. This is the laundry room. And they have got their laundry machine, 9 kg. So like I tell you guys, for families kindly, or even for couples coming to Kenya, coming to Nakuru, Kenya for a long holiday, this is the place to be. And then, of course, from this kitchen balcony, you have got views of the surrounding right there. Look at the greenery, on that side. So, place to come outside and catch some fresh air, enjoy some breeze, and just unwind. Okay? Yeah. So let's keep rolling. But the layout of this apartment is really top notch. All right. So right here, I take this hallway. And on the far end, we have got what we call the common washroom right here on the far end, and it is very spacious. I don't think there is an apartment in the whole of Nakuru that has got spacious bathrooms like this one here in London Estate. So back like this, on my right here, I just entered what you call the guest bedroom. There you have it. It comes with a queen bed, iron box and table is right here. So you have to look neat, even on holiday. Sindo hivyo wangwana? Exactly. And the rooms are well lit. Look at the massive windows right here. Natural light in the rooms is very good. And of course, on this end, you have got your wardrobes. Okay, so I'm looking for someone to come and spend their entire December in this very apartment. proximity to town, tick, location, tick, amenities around, tick. So I'm really looking for someone to take this unit for the whole of December. Can I get that call? Can I get that call? My number is 0791055678, but the host number is right there on the screen as well. So welcome to the primary bedroom. So the apartment is 2 bedrooms, master and suite. So this is the master bedroom. This one also comes with a big, queen bed, and it is well lit, from right here. You guys can catch some morning sun from this end here, sunrises, and the other bedroom gets to enjoy sunsets. Amazing. So there is even a dressing table, on this end, which is very good. It's a bonus. It's a good addition. There's an extra seat here, for, maybe those evenings that you want to have conversations, serious conversations. This seat here will serve that purpose. And then, of course, again, you can see the wardrobe space right here. A lot of it, even a shoe rack is down there. So the way they did this apartment, the developer, I believe they did a very good job, okay? Looking at the function and practicality of this home. And then another huge bathroom. This is the end seat. And here, no wet toilet, because the toilet seat on the far end there. And right here, this space is where I have the hot shower, okay, the bath area, right? So no wet toilet, very spacious bathroom. I love it. And typically we are done touring this home, except there's one place that we have not checked, because the lounge has got a lounge balcony on that end. So follow me. I take you to the lounge balcony, which is, let me just close this door. Okay, thank you. Follow me to the lounge balcony, which is another amazing space that you guys can get to enjoy while you spend your time at this very Airbnb. All right, so I just open like that. Oh, wow, look at this. Just opens, to that greenery again, to the neighborhood. You get to catch those views. It's really amazing, and it is a massive, massive balcony. So they just told me that this space, they are going to add more amenities here, a grass carpet and more outdoor chairs. So zitaweko hapa. Maybe by the time you come, that would have been done. But this is just an amazing space to unwind. It's really amazing here. So you can see the playground down there, the green space. You can relax down there as well. Ample parking down there, like I told you guys. Really amazing. And our gate and then the tarmac, they're just by the tarmac. This apartment here. It's really good. So up to that point, I believe you have seen everything. For more questions, you can just call me on 0791 055678. But the number of the host is right there on the screen as well. You can just give them a call and book your stay at this very place. But for this one, looking for someone who will come to spend their days here the whole of December. Can we get that one? Kindly. Asanteni sana.